What's up traders, let's look at lesson number 9 from the Trader's Toolbox to Profits. So this is lesson number 9, W and M formations. W and M formations are very important and very successful trading style that you can profit off in the market as long as you know how to look for a W formation and an M formation in the market. So basically what we are looking for on a W and M formation, let's have a look at a quick example or down here first. So if we have a nice W formation forming, now this can be, guys, this can be on a weekly time frame, it can be on a daily time frame, it can be on a 4-hour time frame. So these are all dependent on the pair itself, which time frame the pair would like to make a W or an M formation. So if we get a W formation like this, what we are going to be looking at straight away a W formation, because we have from the top down 1, 2, and we've had a nice push to the upside. So what we're expecting basically is we're expecting the market to now come and retest this area of previous resistance now turned support. So we'll be looking in this, basically we'll be looking in this area for another push to the upside. We want to see the market come back down, retest the neckline of this area over here, which was previous resistance now turned support, and we can expect further continuation to the upside. This is how a W formation would work in the Forex market. Now on the other hand, if you look at a W formation with a price action mind and a price action view, you could basically see that the market has created a double bottom at the bottom of here, and after a double bottom, guys, what do we have? We have a nice push to the upside. So this is a more confirmation of a W formation, is if we have a nice double bottom or an equal low, then we can expect the market to push. What we are waiting for then is we're waiting for the market to come back down and retest this area of the neckline, which was previous resistance now turned support. Then we can have a further push to the upside for a W formation. Now when we are looking at an M formation, it's very much similar to a W formation, except on this one we're going to the downside. So this is a double top. As you can see, we have a nice double top over here, and what we can expect the market now to do is, after it's made a double top and pushed to the downside, we can expect a retrace of the neckline over here, which is previous resistance or previous support now turned resistance, and we can expect the market to come into this area. Once the market comes into this area, we can then look for a push to the downside. So it's very simple and very clear how this price action works. Now let's have a look at these examples that I've done for you guys over here. These are very easy patterns to find in the market, and I will show you guys on a live chart just now how easy it is to find a pair like this, or find a formation like this that you could actually profit off. So if we have a W formation like this, what are we expecting? We're expecting the market to come and retest the neckline, which was previous resistance now turned support, and we can expect the market to then come into this area to retest and find further continuation to the upside. This is how the W formation works. Same goes with the M formation. We've already had a nice push to the downside. What we're expecting the market to do is now come and test the neckline of this area. Sometimes, guys, the market will not reach to the neckline of the area, but it will get very close to that area and then start its push to the downside. So what I'm trying to tell you is, sometimes the market will not actually retest that area. It might come up a little bit lower than that and then start its push to the downside. So for M formations, what we are looking for is we're looking for a downside move, and with a W formation like this, we are looking for a push to the upside. So with an M formation, we had created a nice double top over here. Here is the neckline over here. So we have broken this area of support over here, and we can expect the market to come and retest the neckline or previous support now turned resistance, and then further continuation to the downside. So this is my take on M and W formations and how easy it is to actually profit off the market if you guys know what you're looking for. Now let's go on a quick live chart and have a look at what kind of patterns we can find in the market. So very clear, easy to see. We have a nice M formation. This is Euro USD from a daily time frame, and you can see this nice M formation that is formed. After the M formation, what did we have? We had a nice retest of the previous neckline over here, which was previous support, now turned resistance, and we expected this move to make a push to the downside. Now it's a little bit uncertain because why? We have an M formation over here, but we also have a W formation inside an M formation. So these are kinds of trades that we will not trade, and we will not trade unless we have a clear formation of an M formation. So as you can see, there is another W formation that is created inside this M formation, so the market was definitely not clear in where it was going. But what I can tell you guys is, if you have a look at the neckline of this W formation, you can see that the market has basically came and retested this area of the neckline. So this is the W formation. You can expect them, you can see the market came down for a retest of the previous neckline or previous resistance, now turned support, and that's why we have this push to the upside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did like this video and it was educational for you guys, make sure that you leave me a like. Let me know your questions, let me know your comments, let me know what you guys think, and I hope that this helps you guys in the Forex market. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys in the next Traders Toolbox to Profits lesson number 10.